BMW 640i complaint unstable idle, engine chuggle, and shudder at idle. That was the trouble code, mass airflow, intake air temperature, bonus. When I received these vehicles, it has an engine chuggle up. I got some information to the customer and said after replacing the bud cover gasket, the problem occurred. Then I was trying to pinpoint out the said complaint. You will be surprised how I solved it. While the engine is in motion, one of my assistants called me and he said he heard a sucking air at the right hand portion of valve cover itself. When I kept my ear closer to the air sucking, it's true, air sucking was clearly hearable. So I decided to remove the valve cover and I was found out a tilted valve cover gasket which is improperly installed. It was newly replaced and luckily just corrected the installation. After the completion, let us see the aftermath of the repair. Those are the pole codes which was currently stored in the system. Morning. Read the pole codes and erase to make it sure the pole code is no longer exists. Those pole codes are stored and erasable. If the pole codes is permanent, it won't be able to erase unless it must be fixed. These are the parameters data just to read out the obtained value. If the obtained value are all okay, there is no doubt and it was clearly resolved the said complaint. You put there water? Spray water now? Quick. Engine off. No, engine off. No. Open na. Okay. Oil okay?
I don't know why this gear no.
I will go now.